Introducing the 2-in-1 Hinge-Loc Folding Utility and Sports Knife by Ivy Classic. It is ideal for construction and outdoor activities. The Hinge-Loc folding knife locks in the open position. It features a rapid reload blade mechanism. Simply slide the spring-loaded locking clip backwards to remove the blade and press the locking bar to secure the blade in place. The heavy-duty utility blades are made in the USA. Pull back the slide button to fold the knife back into the closed position. Push the button to open the 3-inch stainless steel sport blade, which locks in both the open and closed positions. Never open both blades together. On the back of the knife, there is a sturdy spring steel belt clip. Ivy Classic.